Hey, I'm Ryan from Baratza. Today I'm here to show you how easy it is to dial in espresso at home using the Encore ESP Pro. Whether you have a prosumer setup or a beginner espresso setup, this grinder makes it really easy and super consistent to make great shots at home. Today I'll be pulling shots with the Breville dual boiler, but the Encore ESP Pro is suitable for any espresso machine. You'll just need an espresso machine, a scale, a shot glass, and your Encore ESP Pro. My brew recipe is 18 grams of freshly ground coffee, 25 to 30 seconds of brew time, resulting in about 36 grams of espresso, or a 1:2 ratio of grounds to espresso. I'll be single dosing and using the single dose lid. It's perfect for pre-weighing your beans and keeping your workflow clean. If you're grinding with the hopper instead, I still recommend single dosing at first to see how long your grind takes. Then you can set that time in timer mode for a consistent grind. I've weighed out 18 grams of coffee in the single dose lid. I'll pour it into the grinder, press the button, and let auto stop mode do the rest. The espresso range on the ESP Pro goes from 0 to 40. Since I'm starting fresh with this coffee, I'll set the grinder to 19.5, a solid middle ground. From there, I'll adjust based on how the shot pulls. Next up, the espresso dosing cup. I'm using a 58mm portafilter, so I'll snap on the adapter ring. If you're using a 54mm or smaller portafilter, you can skip the adapter. Insert the dosing cup base, make sure the ridged side is facing the back of the grinder. Wipe out your portafilter basket and make sure you're using a non-pressurized basket for best results with fresh coffee. While I'm here, I'll purge the group head. It's always a good habit just to make sure everything is hot and ready for the next brew. The screen counts up as it grinds, so if you want to switch to timer mode later, that final number gives you a great starting point. Place the portafilter on top of the dosing cup, flip, and give it a shake to distribute those grounds. Now let's tamp. Hold the tamper like a doorknob. Keep your wrist and elbow aligned and press straight down until the coffee pushes back. Then you can clean up the edges. Lock in your portafilter, press the double shot button, and let's brew. You'll usually see the first drops of espresso around 8 to 12 seconds in. This one looks great. Nice flow, golden crema, that's just what I'm after. Let's taste it. Ooh, super good, super balanced. That's a great shot. Is your shot not quite there yet? Well, here's how to fine tune. Is your shot too fast or tasting sour? Grind finer a setting or two. Even a half setting slows your shot by about a second. Shot too slow or tasting bitter? Try going coarser. Again, a half setting will change your shot time by about a second, so adjust slowly. Espresso is all about balance. Grind size, brew time, tamp, and water temp all play a part. But once you're in the range, it's easy to adjust to get your perfect shot. Need some help? Baratza's support team is here for you. Head to baratza.com/support. And don't forget to follow for more brew tips and guides. Baratza, well grounded for over 25 years.